Everybody talking about making money moves, but half of y'all never made a money plan. You can't multiply what you never planted. The Bible says sow and reap, not swipe and repeat. Every dollar you get got a job. Some for bills, some for savings, some for growth. But if every time you get paid, you send all your money to brunch, sneakers, and subscriptions, you ain't investing, you escaping. That's why your account stayed looking like it got stage fright. Every time you open the app, it freezes. You can't pray for a harvest if you keep eating your seeds. Start small, nephew, but at least start. Money ain't meant to sit, it's meant to circulate. When you save, you're protecting it. When you invest, you're promoting it. But most folks stop at protection and never reach promotion. You got money sitting in a savings account earning 2 cents a year. That's not safety, that's stagnation. You ever notice how people who respect money always seem to get more of it? That's because they give it assignments. You go work in this stock. You go pay down that debt. You go bring back friends. Meanwhile, broke folks let theirs wander like it's on probation. You keep saying, I'm waiting for more, but money don't respond to waiting, it responds to wisdom. The more you direct it, the more it discovers its purpose. And once your money start working, you finally get to rest. You don't need to chase money. You need to partner with it. Every dollar should work harder than you do. You grinding 10 hours a day, but your money clocking out at lunch. That's not wealth, that's wage slavery. The goal is to stop working for money and start working with it. That starts with treating it like a partner, not a party guest. Stop showing your money a good time. Show it a good plan. Wealth don't scream, it whispers. It's not about quick flips and get rich schemes. It's about quiet, steady growth that shows up when you don't. If your money ain't multiplying while you rest, then you're just renting progress. Ownership happens when you and your money both got jobs. Multiplying money ain't about luck, it's about logic. You can't expect increase when your habit's still subtracting. You want your money to double, but you keep treating it like a disposable friend. Every dollar got potential, but only if you give it purpose. Don't just earn, learn. Don't just spend, send. You send your money to work like it's got your last name on it. Make it produce. Make it come back with a promotion. Because the same way you measure your hours, you got to measure your outcomes. Money don't multiply by magic. It multiplies by management. Be intentional, be patient, and stop expecting harvest from fields you never watered. And I'm not Ted, but thank you for coming to my talk. Money talk, that is.